Welcome to our YouTube Shorts video on understanding stock quotes. In this video, we will explain the different terms you'll come across when looking at a stock quote. Whether you're a beginner or just want to refresh your knowledge, we've got you covered. Let's start with the bid. The bid is the highest price a buyer is willing to pay for a stock. It represents the demand for the stock at that particular moment. Next, we have the ask. The ask is the lowest price a seller is willing to accept for a stock. It shows the supply of the stock in the market. Moving on to the last price. The last price is the price at which the stock last traded. It gives you an idea of the stock's recent trading activity. As we delve deeper into our discussion, let's shift our focus to the open. The open is the price at which the stock first traded during the current trading session. This is a crucial piece of data as it gives you an insight into the initial trading activity and sentiment for the day. It's like the starting line of a race, setting the tone for the day's trading. Whether the opening price is higher or lower than the previous closing price can provide a glimpse of the market's mood at the start of the day. The open price is a key piece of information for day traders and those looking at short-term trends. Understanding this can help you anticipate potential price movements throughout the day. As we progress in our stock trading journey, we now turn our attention to the high. The high is the highest price at which the stock traded during the current trading session. It is a significant piece of data as it showcases the maximum valuation the market is willing to pay for the stock during the session. It's like the peak of a mountain, representing the highest level of investor confidence during the day. The high price can often serve as a key resistance level for future trading sessions, providing valuable insight for both short-term and long-term traders. Understanding this can help you gauge the maximum potential for a stock's price within a trading day. Delving deeper into the intricacies of stock trading, let's shift our focus to the low. The low refers to the lowest price at which the stock traded during the current trading session. It's like the valley floor, revealing the minimum valuation the market is willing to pay for the stock during the session. Just as the high price represents a peak, the low price represents the deepest dip in investor confidence during the day. The low price can often serve as a pivotal support level for future trading sessions, providing invaluable insight to both short-term day traders and long-term investors. By understanding this, you can gain a clearer picture of a stock's potential downside within a trading day. The next concept we'll tackle is the close. The close is the price at which the stock last traded during the regular trading hours of the current trading session. It's like the final verdict of the market for the day, providing a snapshot of the final trading activity and sentiment. Unlike the high and the low, which show the peaks and valleys of the day, the close price gives you the settling point. It's the price that gets recorded in the history books and is a key piece of information for investors looking at longer-term trends. By watching the close, investors can get a sense of the market's final judgment on the value of the stock for the day. Now let's talk about the change. The change is the difference between the current last price and the previous close. It tells you how much the stock's price has moved since the last trading session. Next up is volume. Volume refers to the number of shares traded during a specific time period. It indicates the level of activity and interest in the stock. Now let's look at the 52-week high. The 52-week high is the highest price at which the stock has traded in the last 52 weeks. It gives you an idea of the stock's performance over a longer period of time. Lastly, we have the 52-week low. The 52-week low is the lowest price at which the stock has traded in the last 52 weeks. It helps you understand the stock's potential downside. Understanding these terms will help demystify stock quotes and make you feel more comfortable with stock market terminology. Remember, the bid, ask, last, change, volume, 52-week high, and 52-week low are all important pieces of information when analyzing a stock. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Stay tuned for more videos that make financial information accessible and interesting.